Hi, I'm Paula. I'm the owner of the Dog Breeder Store and Gentry Boxers and Boston Terriers. Today I want to talk about how to use homeopathic Narayani remedies on a little baby. This is a 2-week-old, 14-day-old Boston Terrier puppy, and she's had some diarrhea. What's great about this kit, that we just introduced this into the Dog Breeder Store, is that these are homeopathics. They're blends that treat specific ailments and sets of symptoms. And they're very safe for pregnant girls, also lactating girls, and little bitty babies. So this is my preferred system of medicine as a dog breeder. And this kit that we've brought over from a pharmacy in the UK has a set of remedies that I feel are the most important for dog breeders to have on hand. And I'll go over with you real quickly. We have calming, we have one for calcium to help prevent eclampsia, we have one for diarrhea, which is the one I'm going to show you today. We have one for dyspnea, which is for respiratory support. We have one for injury, in case you have a wound. We have a wonderful one for pain. Realize you can use these on yourself too. We have one called paramedic rescue that is for shock. We have another one for supportive tissues, which is for calcium and ligaments and so forth. We have another one for worms, and an all-important one that is an all-purpose antibiotic called WAR. These have great testimonials. They're completely safe for use on these babies and moms that are lactating. And I added another remedy called grief, because sometimes we deal with some losses as breeders, and I found it really helped take the edge off when I did have a grief situation. So these remedies come in pellet form. This is the diarrhea one. Has about, I think, about 150 pellets in here, something along those lines. The medicine coats the pellets, and because she's so little, I don't really want to put one of these pellets in her mouth. And I want to go over dosing too. The way you dose a baby or a dog or yourself is this medicine just has to touch a mucous membrane, which in her case is the inside of her mouth. She does not need to swallow it. It just has to touch a mucous membrane. And in her case, it could even be in her vagina, which I'm not going to do. But so because it's a pellet, I didn't really want to put a pellet in her mouth. I've taken one of these pellets, and I placed it in some filtered water in this glass, and I've got this little oral syringe. We carry these in the Dog Breeder Store too if you need one, and I'm just pulling some of it up, and all I'm going to do is take a little tiny bit of it, lift back her flue, and make sure that that liquid touches the inside of her mouth. And she doesn't need to swallow it. She's now been dosed, and there are instructions in here that show you how to use them with dogs. And this says she's actually gotten several doses of this yesterday, and her diarrhea is pretty much resolved. But I just wanted to show you how to use it. I hope that you will check out the Homeopathic Narayani Remedy Kit that we have for dog breeders now in the dogbreederstore.com.